Welcome back friends to the another video. In the previous video we have practically seen the valuation report, and in this video I will practically show you one full legal title search report of a lawyer. Obviously the client sensitive information is deleted from here due to secrecy reasons, but you will get an idea how the legal report is actually presented to the banks by the lawyers. Every lawyer may have his different formats, but this is usually the basic level of information that is contained in every such report which is presented by the lawyers. So here he is mentioning to the I have deleted the client sensitive information and I have deleted many title deeds information also for the simplicity reason, so that just you can understand the nature of this report. So he has mentioned here that the report is addressed to, I have deleted the name, that is the branch manager or the authorized person of the bank. He addresses this report to them, and he is mentioning the subject that this is the report on investigation of title in respect of immovable property measuring 115 canal or 14.39 acres situated at district Ludhiana. Complete address I have already deleted from here. Then he is giving the information, name of the branch which has asked, name of the bank branch which has asked for this report, name of the borrower, type of loan, type of property he has mentioned there. Now he has mentioned what are the title documents that are studied by him. He is mentioning that the total area of the property is 115 canal, and he has taken the below title deeds. In this property also there are multiple title deeds involved which are constituting 115 canal area. One property title deed measures 42 canal, one measures 12 canal, one 30 canal, similarly so on. I have deleted the rest parts so that you can understand in a very simple and easy way. So he gives the detail of all the title deeds, and he has to give the title search report for each of these title deeds separately. In today's video I will show you that his title search report for the 42 canal area title deed, and in this report also he had given the title search details for 12 canal property, for the 30 canal area property area title deed, and other two or three title deeds which I have deleted from here. He has given the complete title search for them also, and this legal report which is for you is around 14 pages, but actually it was of around 60 to 70 pages, right? So he has mentioned the complete details of the property. Now again, like valuer, he has mentioned the boundaries of the property as per the title deeds. Now again, he has mentioned about the title deeds and the documents that he has taken to assess the property. Then he has mentioned that the yes, certified copy of the present sale deeds have been obtained and compared with the original title deeds produced to the undersigned. That means he has gone to the registrar office and has verified the copies of these title deeds available in the government records, and he is stating that those title deeds which were kept in the government records were totally matching with the title deeds that were produced to him, right? So in the B point, you can see the heading that whether all the pages in the certified copies of the title documents are obtained directly from the office. Yes, he is stating that he has not, involved somebody else. He has directly gone to the sub registrar office and he has obtained the information directly from them. So this is a total trustworthy and reliable data for us, that he has practically verified the information directly from the government office, right? Then again he is mentioning the further details which you can pause and read. For example, in the 9th A point, property offered as a security falls within jurisdiction of which registrar, and he has mentioned that it falls in the jurisdiction of Ludhiana registrar. Now he is presenting the chain of title which I have explained to you in the video, that proper chain, how the title flowed from person A to person B, and there should be no break, no lapse in that chain. He is presenting the whole chain here of the 42 canal first, then he will explain for each of these title deeds that constitute the total 115 canal area, right? Now if you read carefully, I will not read the whole chain. I will just scroll down slowly so that you can pause and understand the chain. So here it is mentioned that with regard to the tracing of the chain of that title deed, I have gone through with the revenue record, that the government record, copy of jamabandis and so years, and wide the copy of jamabandi for the year 92-93. Bhag Singh, son of R Singh, I have changed the name. Bhag Singh, son of R Singh, Jug Singh, son of Bhag Singh, are shown as the owners of bigger area. He's stating that the Bhag Singh and Jag Singh were the original owners of the property. Then Bhag Singh, son of R Singh, sold the land to Tej Singh and Ajmer Singh, who are the son of Bhag Singh. Then Bhag Singh sold his share of portion to both of his sons, and this sale transaction is properly recorded in the government records. He has mentioned that the wide of copy of Jamabandi. That means he has mentioned here that the above sale transaction is properly recorded in the government records also, right? So then he has mentioned that the Jug Singh, who was the second owner here, first owner was the Bhag Singh and second owner was Jug Singh. Now first owner Bhag Singh has sold his portion of the area to his two sons. Now he has mentioned what was done by Jug Singh. Jug Singh was also son of Bhag Singh. He has sold the land measuring. He also mentions the area that was sold. He has sold this much area to Jagjit Singh, Satinder Singh, Sukhdev Singh. Then he has mentioned what was done by the Tej Singh. Then he mentions about the Ajmer Singh, Jagjit Singh, Jaswinder Kaur. So you read this carefully and try to develop the chain that there should not be any missing and the flow of title should be clear. So like this, he will keep on explaining that how the title chain of the property actually moved, and then at the end he will mention that thus the chain of title of the property is complete. There is no lapse, no gap in it, right? So again, he will give further information about the ownership rights, that the property is freehold, the owner has full legal right over the property. Uh, if the any information he is not able to retrieve, he will mention it as not applicable, right? So I am slowly scrolling it down so that you can read. That is not applicable information. Property is self acquired property. The property documents, as per the documents, the property is agriculture. So the total land area was 14.39 acre. He has mentioned that one of the land measuring 5 acre has been produced. The question was whether the portion of the property that you have mentioned as agricultural land is being converted to commercial or industrial purpose or not. So he has mentioned that 5 acre portion is converted for industrial purpose and the rest is still the agricultural land, right? Then no entry regarding litigation. There is no litigation outstanding regarding this property. This property belongs to the owner only, right? Then again, multiple information that you can pause and read about in the report. So in the 28th number point, he is mentioned that no registered encumbrance, no charge of the property has been found in the government records. Property is duly mutated in the name of owner. That means the owner's name, the present owner's name, is duly reflected in the government records also, right? So in the 38th point, he has advised that the bank should get their lien on the property in the government records. He is advising the bank that in this property in which partial area is agricultural land, he might be having some concern. So he has suggested the banks that the bank should put their charge over the property in the government records. They should ask the borrower to update the government records that the bank has charge over the property, so that the property can become safe and the borrower cannot do any kind of fraud to the banks in the later on period. So then he will give the certificate of title about it, the final certification, and then he will mention what documents should you take. Here he has mentioned what documents should you take to clear, to have a enforceable, legally enforceable mortgage charge over the property. He has mentioned all the documents that he thinks the bank should take to create a valid mortgage which is enforceable in law, so that there should not be any problem when, if the borrower defaults on the loan and the bank later on approach the court to recover their loan amount, enforce the property in the court, so that there no such issues come in the future. So he asked the bank to take all these documents from the borrower, right? So this was the property valuation legal report, the format of which I have shown to you here. You can, again, I have said that you can pause the video and read all the points carefully, that what are contained in these points and what is what is being answered by the lawyer here. So the important points which were, you should have seen the title chain, the documents that are required to create the valid mortgage, the details of the property. These are the critical points that we need to see first in the legal report, which I have gone through with you in this report also. So that's it about the legal report. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.